Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a custom mug listing using Printify. If you've ever wanted to sell mugs online without worrying about inventory or shipping, this is for you. First things first, log into your Printify account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Head over to the catalogue and search for mugs. You'll see options like the classic ceramic mug, larger 15-ounce mugs, and even enamel camp mugs. Pick the one that fits your vibe. Now you can see here the dimensions of the mug design. For creating the design, you will customize the canvas in Canva or Kittle and start designing for your mug. I'm doing in Canva. I'm keeping it simple just to explain to you. You may design anything you want. Now download your design. Now come back to Printify, click Start Designing and upload your design. Make sure it fits inside the safe print area so nothing gets cut off. Printify will automatically generate mock-ups of your mug. These are super handy because they show your design on a real product. You can use these images later in your Etsy or Shopify listings. Add a catchy title, description, and price. Then you can set your price. Printify mugs usually cost around $4 to $6, depending on the supplier. I recommend pricing them between $15 to $20. That way, you're making a nice profit while still keeping it affordable. Once your listing looks good, hit publish. I have connected my Etsy with Printify, so this mug is instantly ready for customers to buy. And that's it. You can see here in my Etsy account, I have made this listing inactive because I want to review it. After reviewing, I will activate and it will be available for customers. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of mug designs you're planning to sell.